This video will walk you through the steps needed to install the Lancer system. It is recommended to leave at least 2-inch distance from the edge. Mark 2-inch point from the edge. Place the glass bracket 2-inch away from the edge. Mark the bracket hole on the floor. Drill into the floor and fasten the brackets. Place the rubber strip after every 1.5 feet of distance and make sure that you are putting them on the fasteners as well. Now we are ready to mount the glass. Place the glass carefully inside the bracket. Place the glass plate between magic pack and glass like this and fasten them. If the fasteners are already tightened, then loosen them like this and then install. It is a good practice to fasten the middle screw first and then the other. Install the bracket cover on the remaining side. And remove the protecting plastic cover. Place the protective rubber on top of the glass and place the handrail like this. Fasten the end cap like this. And the installation is complete.